Hey y'all, come on in and check this out right here. This is just in from our friends at Bear & Sons. This is the Hawkbill single blade, what I call the Hawkbill, some people call the pruner. And this is actually my personal knife. I stuck it in my pocket a couple of days ago when it come in. I stuck my Benchmade there in that top. I was toting that one. I've got 2 or 3 knives on me at all time. Keep my Longhouse and had that Benchmade, and I stuck this one in my pocket and replaced it with this because I'm in the trades. I do HVAC work, do a lot of electrical wire stripping, and this thing right here has been great to have. Guys, if you're looking for a working knife, I know a lot of people love the sod busters because of the price. If you're looking for a working knife that's as good as any they come, black Delrin scales, got the bell on the end, and gonna run about $30, $35, somewhere right in that range of getting this knife. This Bear & Son Hawkbill may be the one for you. Sharp out of the box, ready to go to work, make you a living. Deep South Cutlery, good times, great knives.